So in this video we're going to learn how to different aspects about our background. Now you can see that the background right now is white, and where you can see your background is this section here which says backdrops. I'll click on it. When I click on it, it takes me to the toolbox changes. Did you see that? I click on sprite, the toolbox changes. I click on the backdrops. I have this new backdrop, new toolbox here for backdrops. So let me go to backdrops, the line that is next to code, and I want to change my backdrop. Now to change the backdrop, this Scratch program has built-in backdrops. So when I click on this icon here, choose a backdrop, I can choose a backdrop, and these are all the backdrops that are available. So if I want something, let's say something to do with sports, I would go to sports section and I have this baseball, basketball, pool, soccer. So if I click on one of them, let's say I want a soccer background, and this is it. So automatically your background got changed to soccer, right? And this is where you can access those backgrounds. Yeah. Another way of changing the backdrop is you can go to backdrops and you can choose, instead of choosing, you can choose to paint. We can see here that we can paint a backdrop. Now this takes you to a screen which is pretty much like Microsoft Paint version, and let's say I want to draw something. I want to fill it up with certain color. Let's say fill it up with a red color. I can choose my colors here and say I can draw things here. Whatever I draw here will appear on the screen, right? I can fill a certain section with certain color. Let's say I want a different color to be filled, and I have a different color. So you can create your own backdrop as well. Now another thing that one has to do is, let's say I want to call this backdrop something. So I can rename the backdrop here to say white. And it's always a good practice to name your backdrops with different names. Let's call this football, and this one is my backdrop. You can use any name as per your requirement of the program. So we have seen in this video how to access what backdrops are available for you, and you can create as many backdrops as possible, from choose a backdrop to painting your own backdrop, or there is even a surprise element here. So if I click on surprise, I get a random backdrop, right? So which Scratch themselves choose. Yeah, so in the next video we will learn about how this backdrop functions, and for that we need to delve into a bit of math.